friends, coming to you today to share with you my January thrift store finds. Some months are just better than others, and I tell you what, I really hit the jackpot on a few things this month. I find things that are totally current. They're not old grandma stuff. Some of this stuff you could go to TJ Maxx or any decorating store and find it. So I just want to show you that it is totally worth going thrifting if you are consistent and you go at least once a week or so and shop around. So the first thing I want to show you is this little freestanding magnetic memo board. You could use it as a picture frame. You know, it's kind of trendy to paint things kind of wild colors, furniture and things, and I don't particularly like the yellow, but I love the shape of it, and I could always change the color if I wanted to. But you just put a magnet on there. It didn't come with a magnet. These are about $10 or $15. I've seen these for sale at my flea market before, and they're just really cute to put a recipe on or a picture and stick it anywhere. And believe it or not, I've come across Ray Dunn pretty frequently at my local Goodwill. I've bought my daughter a few things that I just didn't need, but man, I totally scored this little pencil cup this month. It's normally about $5.99 or $6.99 at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and I got it for $1.99. Love that. I just couldn't believe I found that. Found these two little wooden boxes. These are super cute to sit on a shelf, you know, use them as a little square planter, but they have the Hobby Lobby tags on them. They were normally $3.99 each, and I got them for 99 cents each. But they're just cute to stack, and you put some little miniature things in there. Just a cute little versatile decorating thing. And with it being January, they had a few little Christmas things left over. I found this adorable police Santa. With my husband being a police officer, I just had to get it. I'm sure I didn't pay over $1 for it. And you can tell this is not a dollar store ornament. And underneath here was a whole gallon baggie. I paid $1.99 for it. 10 hand-painted metal stars, and all the Santas are just a little different, so you can tell they're hand-painted. But these will be so cute next year, and I just hated to pass that up. So I'm going to add that to my Christmas decorations upstairs. You know, for 59 cents, it's just hard to pass up little dish towels. Buttons on there. This is very boutique-ish. I didn't look to see the brand, but for 59 cents, and it's embroidered, so cute to stick somewhere. And these little dish towels were connected together. I think it was a two-piece set. The underneath one is just a red plaid where you could use for Valentine's, but this one was the ornaments with the red pom-pom tassels. So cute. I don't think they've ever been used. You can tell if something's been used and washed, and this has just been kind of wrinkledy from, I guess, the process of getting to a thrift store. But I picked up my granddaughter. I don't take bubble baths, but my granddaughter does. A brand new thing of Bath and Body Works. The cheapest you could get this is $3 to $5 on sale. Got it for 99 cents. She will enjoy that when it's bubble bath time at Mimi's house. And this is just, I wanted to show you this. I went to an estate sale, and I'm going to replace these flowers. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. But it's a ceramic cast iron. I thought that was very farmhouse. I'm going to put some cute little flowers in there, fix that up, and stick it on a shelf somewhere. I just thought that was super cute, and I paid $3 for that. Evidently, the Lessos had a rustic type wedding because I saw several things there, but the only thing I picked up was this palette arrow, and I paid $1.99 for it. I can paint it and cover that up, or I can just have the arrow go that way. I'll stick that on a gallery wall somewhere, and I mean, this would be at least 10 at Hobby Lobby or somewhere. I picked up 4 of these adorable red and black plaid placemats. It's evident that they are not dollar store placemats. Super thick, double-sided. The tags are on all 4. I mean, these would have been at least $20 for the set of 4 of these, and I got them for 59 cents each. For $2.50, love these placemats for the Christmas season next year. Thought these were super adorable, these little wooden rabbits. So I will find somewhere to put that on one of my 2 fireplaces. You couldn't pass it up for 99 cents. Just a little paper pad. Last thing I need is more craft paper for 59 cents. American Crafts. This would have been $2 or $3 at Tuesday morning, and I'll definitely add that to my stash. Added some ribbon to my ribbon stash this month. I don't come across these bags that are decent priced very often, but this time this one was $3.99. Based on the quality of ribbons that was in there, it was totally worth $4, so that's what justified me paying that. But I usually buy all my ribbons thrifted. unless it's just something I need specific. Now, I seldom go into the bargain center. If your Goodwill doesn't have a bargain center, you might can Google in your town to see if they have one. It's where they just put things in bins, but you seriously have to be in the digging mood. It is a digging type place. I went in one time this month and totally scored on several things. Got some books for my grandkids, and I mean, it's seriously yard sale prices, like quarter, 50 cents. I did grab this one day for 59 cents. But so I did add to my ribbon stash this month, so I was glad to replenish some. Found this really cute umbrella. I paid $1.99 for it. I don't know if you are as rough as I am on umbrella, and they do not last. I mean, I go through 2 or 3 umbrellas a year. And so here we go again. I bought this one and I thought, you know, I'll try it. If it tears up, I've only lost a couple dollars. This was not any big bargain, but it was a brand new in the package for 99 cents. It was some of those little gift sacks. You know, sometimes you just need a little gift sack, not even a lunch sack size. So I thought they sell these at Walmart, but this one, the Celebrate brand, came from Michael's. But for 99 cents, I got like 10 bags, and I will definitely use those throughout the year with little gifts and happies for friends. This was just a bag of little miniature doilies and all kinds of lace and trim, and I mean, I may have paid $1 or $2 for this. In that bargain center, you're not really sure how much it's going to cost, but things are always yard sale prices. Counted them out. There's like 40 of those little miniature doilies that I've seen some really cute farmhouse wreaths made out of those, so I might do something with that. And last but not least, it's just a big turkey flag. I even passed up some flags this month because I just did not need them unless they are just above and beyond or something totally different than what I have. But I just thought this was so pretty. It's never been flown. So there you go, friends. Those are some of my great goodies I found this month. I wish some of you were local, and I would love to go thrifting with you. I get those messages all the time. So I hope you enjoyed this, and happy thrifting. Bye-bye.